just a quick update on these wheels. You can see that I added the spoke blipples. I can't say the actual word because TikTok doesn't like the word blipples, but that starts with an N. But anyway, you can see them there on the spokes. So just a little bit of added detail. I made the spokes thicker just to ensure that these wheels are going to be the strongest wheels for hopping, for whatever you want to do with them. But these are the 38 spokes. There's going to be 48 and 72, maybe 100 spokes, but just wanted to share this update. I think this is the final design. I might add a valve stem. So I might have, or just valve stems that you can buy separately. Some people want them, some people don't. Yeah, it'll be easier if they're separate, but I'll try adding a valve stem onto one of these wheels just to see how it goes. But the detail is crazy. Like you can see all the way down in there. You can see through them. Here's the backside. Here's the pin that goes with the hydraulic kit on OzoneMinis. I also made the dish flush with the tires so that it's fully supported. But the pin fits perfectly in there. This will also fit the axles that come with a lot of the vehicles that just have the solid rear axles. It's like 1.6 millimeters or something like that. But yeah, that's the update. You can see the back. I made it more solid. The spokes are more like fins now, but they're rounded, so they have that effect, that spoke effect. But that's the update.